Hi there. Today we're taking a look at this 50 cal antenna replacement from EcoAuto. They were nice enough to send it to me in exchange for an honest review, so let's get into some of the features. The very first thing you're going to notice is this great packaging. They do a really good job of conveying the product and also sending it to you in a way that's going to be protected, but also really well designed. It's a perfect package for this product, and I really appreciate it when a company does that. When you open it up here, you're going to notice this one happens to have two different adapters. This will go on and screw onto your vehicle in replacement of your antenna, and then the product here will screw onto either one of those adapters. Next thing is the actual antenna here. You can see it comes in this nice foam sleeve, packaged really well. And as you pull it out, here's your antenna. Now this is made of military grade 6061 billet aluminum, which means it's been machined down all from one piece, so it's going to hold up well in harsh environments. It's also anodized in this matte black, kind of a flat finish. What does that mean? It means that this color has been chemically bonded to the aluminum antenna, which means it's going to hold up really, really well in a lot of different harsh environments. It's not going to fade. It's going to be very difficult to scratch or anything like that. Installation is very simple. You pick the correct adapter, you screw that adapter onto the stud once you remove your antenna currently, and you screw this antenna onto one of the adapters. Very quick and easy, simple installation. I hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.